Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll learn how to register eSign in EPF Portal. In our previous videos, we have seen the joint declaration and how to file joint declaration by employee as well as employer. And finally, the joint declaration approval by the employer. But in a previous video, we have seen that the EPF joint declaration was approved by the employer through eSign. So in this video, we learn and understand how to get registered the eSign in the EPF portal. What is eSign? Before getting to the video, let us understand what exactly eSign is. EPFO has now provided a facility to employers for approval of KYC, PMRPY registration and establishment registration through digital signatures available in the unified portal. Some of the problems faced by employers while using digital signature or DSC are issues in Java installation and version control, browsing setting, etc. Employers also report that highly technical skills are required in signing documents using DSC. Since client-side settings are out of control of EPFO, many employers are unable to approve KYC and register under PMRPY. To overcome these issues, EPFO has introduced the free Aadhaar-based eSign in addition to DSC to be used by employers. This is much easier to use in comparison with DSC. Authorized signatory of establishments whose DSC is not available in Unified Portal can register their eSign in Unified Portal and get it approved from the concerned EPFO field office. But authorized signatory of establishments whose DSC is already registered can directly activate their eSign by providing Aadhaar in the Unified Portal. Once the authorized signatory is registered for eSign, he or she can sign documents by using the OTP sent to the Aadhaar registered mobile number. In simple words, what we can say is that a very important update for employers registered with Employees Provident Fund, that is nothing but EPFO, has been updated. EPFO has now made it easier for the employers to approve KYC, register under PMRPY and register establishments through digital signatures available in the Unified Portal. However, many employers have faced issues while using digital signature certificates or DSC. Some of the most important problems include Java installation and version control, browser settings, and technical skills are required to sign documents using DSC. Since the EPFO cannot control the settings on the employer's side, many employers find themselves unable to approve KYC or register under PMRPY. So, to overcome these technical issues, EPFO has introduced a simpler and free alternative Aadhaar-based eSign. The feature is much easier to compare to DSC. Now, let us see how this eSign works. What are the benefits of eSign? Now, let us understand what are the benefits of eSign when compared to DSC. Many important tasks like KYC attestation, transfer claim, attestation, etc. are done online by authorized persons of employer using the digital signatures or Aadhaar-based eSign on EPF portal. This ensures seamless online service to members. If you are an employer and working remotely amid the lockdown restrictions, then this information will be interesting for you. As an employer, you will be required to perform important functions related to the Employees Provident Fund EPF. Accounts for your employees including KYC attestation, transfer claims, attestation, etc. This can be done online by the authorized person of an employer using his digital signature or DSC based eSign or on EPFO portal. This ensures seamless online service to the members. In case you are not aware of the facility, know about it and also know how to register eSign or digital signature certificate DSC. In simple words, what we can understand that with the benefit of eSign, some of the tasks that employees can perform online using digital signatures and Aadhaar-based eSign on the EPF portal. As an employer, you are responsible for managing many important tasks related to your employees' provident fund accounts. These includes KYC attestation, transfer claim attestation, and more. Usually, these tasks can be done online by other person of an employer, either through digital signature, that is DSC, or an Aadhaar-based eSign on the EPF portal. This is especially helpful during times when working remotely is necessary. The good news is these options ensure seamless and uninterrupted online services to EPFO members, making it easier for the employers to fulfill their responsibilities. In case if you are not aware of these features or how to register for them, let's walk through the process. For employers, who need to register for an Aadhaar-based eSign or DSC, you can do it directly on the EPF portal. Once registered, you will be able to easily approve KYC details and manage transfer claims without any hassle. The Aadhaar-based eSign is a convenient and quick alternative to the more technical digital signature certificate. With eSign, all you need is your Aadhaar number and you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number for verification. This system is designed to be user-friendly and ensure you can perform important tasks quickly and securely even while working remotely. So, if you are an employer looking to streamline your EPFO responsibilities during remote work, make sure you can take the advantage of Aadhaar-based eSign or DSA features available on the EPFO portal. What are required to register eSign? So let us understand what all the details are which are required to register eSign in EPF portal. In order to register eSign of the authorized signatory, the employer is required to provide the following details: name as per Aadhaar, designation, gender, date of birth as per Aadhaar. So these are the 4 details which are required for registering eSign on EPF portal. The system will verify the basic details from Aadhaar database. Then you have to do the demographic based authorization with the help of virtual ID through resident.uidai.gov.in, wherein you need to generate or create the virtual ID. If the details match, request letter for the registration of authorized signatory will be generated. Mail the duly signed letters to concerned regional office. So friends, once the virtual ID is generated, a request letter will be generated in the EPF portal, and this letter has to be sent through email to the regional EPF office, or you can submit the hard copy to the regional office of EPFO. Step-by-step process to register eSign. So friends, now let us see the step-by-step process to register eSign theoretically. Once the theoretical part is done, then we'll get into the video practically and see how to register eSign practically in EPFO portal. Step 1. Log into employer interface of Unified Portal of EPFO, that is https unifiedportal-emp.epfindia.gov.in. Step 2. Go to establishment and select DSC or eSign. Step 3. Click on eSign. Step 4. Now enter the virtual ID and basic details of authorized signatory. Step 5. Click on the View DSC or eSign registration at the top on right hand side. Step 6. Click on Generate Request Letter. Step 7. Mail the request letter to the concerned regional office. So friends, these are the 7 step-by-step process to register eSign in EPF portal. Once the regional office approves the request, the authorized signatory will be able to use the eSign for various tasks like KYC attestation, transfer claim or approval, etc. So friends, we have seen the step-by-step process to register eSign theoretically. Now let us get into the video practically how to register eSign in EPF portal. Open Google search engine and type EPF Employer Login and click on this link. You will be directed to Employees Provident Fund Organization India Establishment Sign-in Details. Here you need to enter the user ID, password and CAPTCHA and click on Sign In button. I have entered the login details, then click on Sign In button. Now you can see that we have entered the Employer Portal. Here you need to go to Establishment tab and you need to click on DSC eSign. After clicking on DSC eSign, now directed to eSign or Digital Signature Registration. So here you can see Digital Signature Registration and eSign Registration. So in our previous video we have already seen the Digital Signature Registration in EPF Portal. Now let us see how to register eSign registration. When you scroll down, you can see eSign registration and here are the details which need to be provided for eSign registration. Name as per Aadhaar card, designation, gender and date of birth as per Aadhaar. Now let us enter the details. We have entered the details, then you need to click on submit button. Here you can see that demographic based authorization. Here you need to enter the virtual ID number. Now let us see how to create or how to generate virtual ID number. resident.uidai.gov.in. In this website, when you scroll down, here you can see at the bottom VID generator, that is nothing but virtual ID generator. Click this. Now you will be directed to a page generate or retrieve virtual ID. Here we are going to generate the virtual ID. For generating the virtual ID, we need to enter the Aadhaar number. After entering the Aadhaar number, you need to enter the CAPTCHA. After entering the CAPTCHA, click on send OTP. OTP is successfully sent to the Aadhaar registered mobile number. Enter the virtual ID and click on verify button. Now we have successfully entered the virtual ID and let us see the eSign registered. So here we need to go to view registered eSign. Click this. When you scroll down, you can see that here the name of the employee and the designation, gender, date of birth and submitted on. So all the details are available over here. For now, we need to go to request letter and click this request. Once you click on this, eSign request letter has been successfully generated. So once you scroll down here, you can see a letter has been popped out wherein you need to download this PDF document, that is the request letter. Once you click on this, the document will be downloaded. Here you can see that the letter has been issued on so and so date to the regional officer. Here when you scroll down, this is a letter which we need to be submitted to the regional Provident Fund Commissioner by filling the details like the Aadhaar number and the specimen signature for all the 3 specimen signatures of the employee which is been registered for eSign. Then here the signature of the employer has to be put along with the seal of the company. And when you scroll down, you can see this is for EPFO office use. So these are the details which need to be filled up and you need to upload the document over here. We'll see how to fill the document and we need to upload here. So you need to save the document and fill the required details and with the specimen signature and signature of the employer and the stamp and seal. Along with this document letter, we need to submit the form 5A as well, and with all the supporting documents like PAN, Aadhaar number of the person, PAN of the company and the cancel check of the company along with these documents. So people will be forgetting to submit the required other documents like form 5A, cancel check and the Aadhaar card of the employee, because of which the eSign will be getting rejected. So please make sure that along with this letter, we need to submit form 5A and Aadhaar card of the employee and the PAN card of the employer and the cancel check of the employer. So now let us see how to fill the form 5A. Go to establishment and click on form 5A. Once you click on form 5A, you will be directed to form 5A. Here you need to come down here and click on download form 5A. Form 5A will be downloaded. Here you can open the form 5A and you need to fill the details with the signatures wherever it's required along with the stamps of the employer. Once everything is filled along with this form 5A, you need to attach the request letter along with the PAN card of the employer, cancel check of the employer and Aadhaar card of the employee for which the eSign is getting registered. Once all the details are filled and the documents are ready, you need to upload here. Click on upload button and click on choose file. For your information, I have already generated form 5A and request letter. So this is the form 5A wherein I have filled all the details with the signatures, stamps and everything, and here you can see the specimen signature of the employer. Then when you scroll down, here you can see the letter which has been submitted to the EPF registration office for the specimen signature of the employee for e-signature and the stamps and everything, and even the PAN number of the company and the name of the company registration proof and the cancel check and the Aadhaar card of the employee. So all these details has been already filled. In this way, you need to submit all the details like form 5A and request letter along with the supporting documents. So I need to click here choose file, select the document and click on submit button. Here you can see that signed eSign registration request letter has been successfully submitted. When you scroll down, here you can see that the document is successfully submitted and here status revoke letter is pending. So which means the field officer of the EPF department need to be approved. So once the field officer checks all the documents, then compares with the Aadhaar card, etc. Once everything is checked and verified, then it will be approved by the field officer of the EPF. Once if it is approved, here at the bottom you can see that the eSign is activated. So in this way, the eSign will be registered and approved and get activated from the employer end as well as from the EPF registration office by the field officer. So dear friends, hope you understood the step-by-step process to register eSign in EPF portal practically. So friends, hope you understood what is eSign and what are the benefits of eSign and how to register eSign in EPF portal both theoretically as well as practically. So friends, if you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all the queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.